Unlocking the power of IFTTT for programmers.
It stands for If This, Then That. It's a free online platform that connects different apps and services. Programmers can use IFTTT to create simple automations, called applets, to streamline repetitive tech tasks and save valuable time every day by linking favorite digital tools together.
Getting started. Setting up IFTTT.
To begin, sign up for a free IFTTT account. After logging in, explore the dashboard to view popular applets or create your own. You'll need to connect accounts for the services you want to automate, like Gmail, Google Drive, Trello, or Slack. This step is essential for enabling IFTTT to act on your behalf.
Building your first applet notifications.
Suppose you want a notification every time someone mentions your project on Twitter. In IFTTT, choose Twitter as the trigger, if this, set the trigger to match a specific hashtag, then add a notification service or email as the action, then that. Test the applet to ensure you receive alerts as desired.
Automating file management tasks.
Programmers often juggle multiple files and repositories. With IFT, you can automatically back up files. For example, create an applet to save every new email attachment in Gmail directly to Google Drive or Dropbox. This reduces manual uploading and protects important files, keeping workspaces organized.
Leveling up. Advanced uses and tips.
Explore more complex workflows by chaining multiple services. Use webhooks to trigger custom code, or connect with platforms like GitHub for repository notifications. Regularly review and refine your applets to fit changing needs, and always check that permissions for connected services are up to date for security.